Hi guys, welcome back to Mery Cooks. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite desserts, which is tiramisu. I made this a few times for my family and they love it. So first we're gonna start by adding 5 egg yolks to a bowl. Then we're gonna add half a cup of sugar. I'm going to use a hand mixer to mix them both together. At the end of this, you want to get a nice smooth mixture. In tiramisu, the most important ingredient is mascarpone. I'm adding 8 ounces here to the sugar and egg yolk mixture. And this is gonna be part of the cream for the tiramisu. You want to get a nice consistency, kind of like what I have here. So we're gonna set that to the side, and now we're gonna be working on our heavy cream. I added 1 2/3 cup of heavy cream. I'm using the hand mixer again to blend this. This tiramisu can easily serve about 8 people. You want to blend this until it's a nice whipped cream. Look at that, this is perfect. Add our whipped cream into our sugar, mascarpone, and egg mixture from earlier. Slowly fold it in like I am. Just continue to slowly fold it in. If you get this right, the tiramisu will turn out great. Here I'm going to make my own espresso, and I'm going to make about 10 ounces. We're going to use this espresso to dip our ladyfingers in. Now that that is done, I'm going to move on to assembling the tiramisu. I have my Ghirardelli cocoa powder. Here we have the ladyfingers. Make sure you get the hard cookie ones, not the soft ones. Dip each ladyfinger into the espresso well and assemble the base of the tiramisu. Now we'll evenly spread our cream on top of the ladyfingers and add some more cocoa powder. Repeat the same process for the second layer. Here we go, now we're gonna add the rest of our cream on top. Evenly spread it again. Once that's done, we're gonna put the finishing touches and we're gonna add the cocoa powder. Before you serve it, let it chill for about 2 hours. It turned out perfectly. The taste is very rich and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know how it turns out in the comments below. If you like the recipe, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one.